Sir, is it possible to, for example, I'll just give you a task. You send a lot sample, say for 10 kgs to a customer, any customer in India or abroad. And this customer finds that this 10 kg lot sample is perfect for his production. And he buys the 10 kgs of sample from you. And the next day he comes and he asks you the same thing. I want the same quality of that 10 kgs. Is it possible for you to manipulate that, or?
No, it is not possible. That is why in my practice, whatever I sell to customers, for each and every lot, I give lot sample, take the approval, then only we give the lot.
But you cannot manipulate
we cannot manipulate. It is impossible. We have not tried. Instead of telling impossible, I will say we have not tried. So even whether it is 100 gram or 100 kilos, we give the lot sample to the customer, we keep the lot, then only we sell the lot. So it is the responsibility of the buyer to confirm the lot. But we keep the lot ready. There are some customers who do not want lot sample, they believe our quality, they take it straight away. That is a different issue. But I cannot say that it will be same.
That's the point which I am trying to talk, sir. The point is that a customer takes it for example, it's a shampoo business. He makes a shampoo out of it, and that shampoo comes out very perfect. The next lot he buys, and he finds out from your own production the quality has changed in the shampoo. That is just because of the jasmine. So he's asking, can you provide me the same old material what you have given? So is that the knowledge what you have, you can manipulate in this?
No, you see, it is totally depending on nature. So that is why, see, if you take right from June, there will be a quality variation every month. That is percentages.
Percentage of
benzyl. See, if the rain is more, during rainy season, the benzoate content will be less. If the flower is plucked late in the afternoon, if it is delayed, if there is more sunlight, the indole content will increase. So we have no control over these things. So
it's all nature's play.
Yeah, that is why we give the lot sample. If the customer decides to buy, let him buy. We don't assure him anything. And I can assure you the field if you are particular about the field, but I cannot assure you the same quality.
Direct, this is the version what he's trying to give. He's assuring about the field, but not about the quality. But what we require is something different, which I think he will suit us. But not for Sambuck. It's only for grandiflorum. You have to understand.
The quality that comes in Coimbatore is different from quality you get in Madurai and you get it in Vellore. All are different qualities. So in grandiflorum I can tell all this, but in Sambuck I have not experienced because I am depending on Madurai or Tiruvannamalai or other areas.
Sangarangoil is in
grandiflorum, it is about 30 km radius, whereas Sambuck we are covering about 400 km radius. So because it is a wide area, different climate, different soil, different water, so definitely there may not be uniformity in quality. In grandiflorum, in our own production, I can assure you to some extent, because it is only 30 km radius, almost same climate, same culture, same plucking style, open flower, that much I can guarantee.
Sir, can you just explain about which is better system, that is GC-Mers or the natural smelling of the fragrance? Which is the better system based on jasmine?
So generally, nose is the best judge for everything. So it depends on the customer's need, customer's taste. You should smell and approve the product. GC alone will not help. It is a guideline, we can keep it, but we are not taking any GC for any of our product. We give lot sample to the customer, he approves the sample and he takes the material. So we don't use GC for our purposes. Mr. Drik, as you have asked, I am giving you 10 grams of jasmine Sambuck concrete each from the same lot in a bigger container for your bulking purpose, and 2 grams each of grandiflorum absolute in 5 containers, same lot, and 10 grams is of each of jasmine grandiflorum absolute in 2 numbers in same lot. All these jasmine absolute are from the same lot, and the Sambak concrete is from the same lot.
The container size is changed.
Yeah, you asked for 10 grams in a 30 gram container, but since we have 50 gram container, I have put 10 grams of jasmine Sambak concrete in 50 gram container. This is for your information. Spirit which we are using to make jasmine, any absolute, is made out of sugarcane molasses. We are buying it from a sugar factory only. In India, all the rectified spirit we are using is out of sugarcane.
So you're talking about the hexane which is being...
Absolute rectified spirit. நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்களே இதே நீங்கள் கல்ஃபில் யூரோப்பில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they use potato sugar பண்ணாங்க.
Potato
they
sugars.
make potato sugar, they make beet sugar. அதில் வர்ற ஆல்கஹால் வந்து குவாலிட்டி வித்தியாசமாக இருக்கும்.
So the Europeans or the foreigners, they don't believe in Indian
rectified spirit.
Rectified spirit.
இதோட அது better quality, they want to make absolute on their own.
Okay. So they... Fine.
They buy only concrete.
Only concrete. And they do their own...
They have their own facility to make absolute.
They can even do it by CO2 extraction also.
Depending on their requirement.
Drick, this is his factory. Just now what we visited, Mr. Loganathan's factory. That is for the jasmine. And here, just moving the side, you can see this. He's having his jasmine Sambak, not Sambak, grandiflorum. His land. See, the flowers are not yet in the season, so it will be in the month of Jan, Feb, March and April. You can see this is his own cultivation, which is very nearby to his... you can see this flower there. See, just 2 flowers out of the whole field. But you will be the right person to judge it. Okay, so I'm just showing you his field without flowers. Drake, this is the new bottle which that guy has given me. I was showing you. So, and the logo of his company also is there. Looks like a Chinese bottle, and inside also, see, beautiful bottle.